How does rubber ducky taste? What are you doing there, Maya? You already splashed all your bubbles away. That's okay, I can keep eating my rubber ducky. That's not what we meant when we said rubber ducky, you're the one. Hee 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 hee. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Do you want to splash? It's pretty exciting, huh, Meister? Okay. Look at those toes. Aren't they cute little toes? Cute Maya toes. Alright. How about we shampoo you now, Maya? Say bye-bye. Bye, camera. You're like, I've got water to play with. Camera schmamera. Water and toes. Baby toes are pretty cute. I like to play with them too. Oh, Miss Maya.